Department of Computer Science. Today I am discussing what is a Selenium. Selenium is a free tool. It is generally used for demo websites. So it is not a programming language, but in this we are testing some websites. You can use some programming languages like Java, Python, C++, JavaScript. Whenever we are opening some websites, in this demo websites, you can have to edit some text, but it is temporarily, not statistically. Whenever you want to replace any word, any image, any sentence, you have to return the script in those websites. These websites only use it for demo websites only. In this Selenium, we are writing some scripts like opening an website, you are clicking an button, you can type a text, or you are checking the results. Finally, I am telling you can take each and every action it will be observing. So that is the writing script. We know writing script means you are thinking we can write any code, we can write any formation. That is not a script. The user can perform each and every action it will be observing. That is the Selenium testing tool. It is mostly used for testing web applications. Now let us take an example. We are logging into Gmail. Whatever you do, open the Chrome and you have to search Gmail login, and then you can enter the username and password and you can click the login. So this is the manual testing. So with Selenium, these all steps, what is these steps? Chrome opening and type your Gmail and enter your usernames and your password, all are login into at a time without any user interaction. So without Selenium, you are doing manual testing. With Selenium, you are doing automatically testing. So whatever the user can do, so perfectly you have to give the input using the Selenium tool. The system will be do automatically in these tasks, the user task. So in this Selenium, we are mainly concentrating on manual testing and automation testing. Manual testing means the user can do 100% work on that website. But automation testing means that 10% work will be done by the user, remaining 90% will be done by the automation framework. So here now I am discussing what is the automation framework. Here automation framework means we need not to gain any technical knowledge. It is only doing whatever we are doing manually, but in this task the system will do the user each and every action. So let us see, this automation framework is a structured way writing text scripts. No need to worry. Text scripts means you are opening an website or you are opening an Gmail login. You can clicking an button. You can check your result. These all are considered as the text scripts. The code is organized and reusable. Whatever you are giving this button, so you can reuse the another website also. For example, you can log in into Gmail. The login next button is there. In some other websites also the next button is displayed. So need not to worry. These same code is displayed on another website also. The testing is very easy to the beginner. So I am telling in the previous also, no technical knowledge will not be considered in these test cases. So you automatically the report and documentation will be represented in the Selenium testing tool. So let us discuss what is the types of Selenium automation framework. Mainly consider three types of automation framework. One is the keyword driven framework, second one data driven framework, third one hybrid framework. Let us discuss the keyword driven framework. So let us see, use a set of keywords. So previously we have seen you have log in the Gmail. What you can do, username and you can enter the password, then another you can click the next button. Likewise, whatever you are clicking on, whatever the user can do, any action, it will be observed the keyword driven framework. Let us see, uses a set of keywords like login, click and enter text. So user whatever perform the text, it will be captured like a keywords. So you need not to worry the programming. So non-programmers can also create these Selenium testing. So finally I am telling this data plus keywords stored in Selenium ID. Here what is meant by a Selenium ID? Selenium ID means it is an integrated development environment. These Selenium ID will test demo websites. Whatever you are testing this website, this is the best website, Selenium IDE. Let us take an example. I can do an action, means whatever the user can do, these actions: open URL, enter text. What the user can enter in the text? Username. So what next step? Entering the password. And next one, the user can click on the login. Let us see. The user can open the URL. What is this? https app.com. So the value should not be displayed. Why? Because the direct link will be opened in the browser. Next, what can do the user? They can display the username. Then user will enter the text like ID equals to username. So what is the username? The entered admin. So next one, the user can enter the password. So this is also entering the text. So example 1, 2, 3, 4. Then finally click on the login. Whatever you can opening the link, the action will be open URL. You can typing a text, the action will be the enter text. You can clicking on any button, you can place it, the action is click. So what is a data driven framework? In the previously we have seen keyword driven framework. It is whatever the user can do performing an actions, it will be captured. And what is data driven framework? It is a one set of data. So you can run automatically number of test cases. You need not to test a individually. You can test a automatically. So one test is running, then you can add another test. So same test cases will run automatically. Then we are saving the time. So individually you can testing some websites, you can take 10 minutes or 5 minutes. At a time, in those 10 minutes, you can perform 2 or 3 websites, you can reducing your time. So in this data driven framework, the same application, you can whatever you do, the actions will be reusability to the another testing. So finally, this framework allows multiple execution of test cases without increasing the number of test cases. So hybrid data framework in Selenium. Let us here previously discuss keyboard driven framework and data driven framework. It is a combination of data driven, keyboard driven and modular also. So data driven means we can test websites at a time, 2 or more websites. So keyword driven means whatever the user can doing, it will be performed. So what is meant by modularity? It is the splitting the functions. Whenever you have to want, you can use these functions. So it is the best feature of the framework. Here we are using the reusability. So we are mainly called as a function. Why? Because whenever you have to work in one testing phase, these testing phase some keywords will be goes to the another testing. So flexibility means whenever you are using keywords like a click, button, username, password. And scalability means you have to take the external data from the outside. Not only Selenium, you have to test the demo websites in the other websites also. These hybrid framework means you have to use different testing needs. So finally, we are doing some demo websites. For example, I can do the login. So another person can do some WhatsApp. So these testing can be done in different locations, not only same location. In these websites, so you can do whatever they can use, you can perform easily.